Hey y'all, welcome to Make a Dress With Me Part 1. Okay, so many of y'all have been asking me to do tutorials and, show how I put my dresses together. So this is what I'm going to be doing in this video. For the dress, my client actually came to me inspired by another design. But instead of recreating it, we just took inspiration from it and turned it into something completely new and just completely custom to her. So first, I started cutting out all the pattern pieces, the lining and the beaded fabric. And y'all, this fabric is so pretty. Like, the video does not do it justice. The color was tea. So now, before I can even start sewing my pieces together, I am getting ready to prep my fabric pieces first. So what you're going to see is I'm going to use this tape method where I'm going to just take this tape, and this is literally just shipping tape. So I think it's like 2 inches wide maybe. And I'm just going to take that and put it on all of my seams. So any seams that you're going to sew or run through your machine, that is what you want to tape down. Here's just a close-up of what that looks like. This method just makes it so much easier. I hear a lot of designers complain about, sewing beaded fabric and how, it breaks the needles. It's hard to get through the machine and it's just messy. And so I really like this method. It just makes it a lot easier. So as you can see, I'm taking the hammer and then I'm crushing the beads under the tape. And when you're taking the tape off, of course, the beads are attached to the tape. So at this point, it's just less messy. I don't have beads all over my floor in the office. So I just really like this method. It's a lot cleaner. As you can see, it's not a lot of beads either. As I'm peeling it off. So there's like a few here and there. And you'll see me, go in and clip one bead. But for the most part, most of them are off. And it just makes the process way easier and faster too. After that, I started pinning everything together. So at this point, I'm getting ready to run it through my machine and sew all of my pieces together. Sewed it through the machine at this point, and I'm just going back and double checking to make sure I caught all the beaded fabric within the seams. So next, the skirt is finally put together. So now I'm just at a place where I'm placing it on the mannequin with the corset on, just to figure out just where everything needs to be pinned and attached. I do like to hand sew the skirt and the corset together, but at this point I'm just wanting to just base stitch it and pin it before I actually secure it permanently. So I love how it's coming out so far. Here's just the back view, and it does have a little train to it, a little drama, a little length at the back. So, it's coming out cute so far. So next, I am going to be attaching the mesh. As you can see, it's already attached at the front. I have hand sewed it to the corset already. It is going to have a little mesh sleeve as well. So it's coming together. So stay tuned, and I will see y'all on video part 2.